Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss one of the best homeopathic medicine for the contradictory symptom is Ignatia. So common name of Ignatia is Ignatius bean. It was discovered by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann and its botanical family is Loganaceae. So Ignatia is a famous as a remedy of greatest contradiction. Okay, it's mainly known as a human remedy, and it's considered the female counterpart of the Nux vomica. Now let's see the sphere of action of Ignatia. Ignatia is acts predominantly on entire nervous system, especially on medulla oblongata and the spinal cord. Consequently, affect the whole nervous system. Pathophysiology is convulsion, spasm, chorea, hysteria, dyspnea, hyperesthesia like excessive sensitivity, emotional disturbance, incoordination, and the various contradictory symptoms. Now let's see the clinical condition. The clinically, the ignition is useful in anxiety, emotional distress, a loss of appetite, chorea, convulsion, constipation, epilepsy, headache, cough, flatulence, hysteria, then intermittent fever, locomotor ataxia, menstrual disorder, paralysis, sleep disorder, respiratory troubles. Now the constitution. The Ignatia suits the dark hair, dark complexion woman of nervous temperament who is very sensitive, easily excited, quick in a perception, and rapid in action. Now, relation to heat and cold. There is no definite statement about the thermal reaction due to the contradictory nature of the drug. However, the general patient sensitive to cold, pain, touch, odor, and the noise, etc. So, miasm is a sore is predominant. Guiding symptoms. Remedy. This ignitia is a remedy of great contradictions such as the roaring in ears relieved by music, sore throat relieved by swallowing, or the solid food like liquid causes more pain than solid. Cough worse by more coughing. Cough more on the standing and less on walking. Empty feeling in stomach not relieved by eating. Piles, hemorrhoids relieved by the walking, prolapse of anus with soft stool, but not during a hard stool, spasmodic laughter from the grief instead of weeping, sexual desire with the impotence, thirst during the chill and the heat, but not during the perspiration, red face during the chill, pale face, and during heat. Now let's see the mind symptoms. The Ignitia is a mainly remedy for the mental troubles, especially grief, emotional shock, and the disappointment, like suppressed feeling. The mental symptoms arise from the bad news, fright, anger, grief, disappointment in love, suppressed sexual desire, reserved nature, feeling of shame, and a mortification. Now let's see the mental features like rapid changes of mood from laughing to weeping, from joy to sorrow. The one moment is cheerful, the next moment sad. Broods over the imaginary troubles, full of silent grief and the deep sighing, desire to be alone, moody, silent, sad, and indifferent. Then a weak memory, become angry at the slightest contradiction, is very sensitive, impatient, irritable, kind and gentle when well, but easily disturbed by the least motion, overwhelmed by the long, continued, concentrated grip, feel as if guilty of some crime, fearful, restless, make mistake while speaking or the writing. Children scalded or the sent to the bed become sick or have the convulsion during sleep. Consolation like aggravates her complaint. Now let's see the physical symptoms. Ignatia can be used in a headache, respiratory trouble, GIT issue, convulsion, and the most important is menstrual complaints. Now let's see the modalities. Aggravation from tobacco, coffee, alcohol, motion, strong odor, mental emotion like grief, anger, suppressed feeling, and the amelioration means better from warm application, hard pressure, swallowing, and walking. Thank you for